Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, October 14th. We continue with the meditative reflections based on Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening. Today's essay is titled The Way Things Are. Mark Nepo prefaces his essay with a passage from Lao Tzu. Be content with what you have. Rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. I love this. Let me read it again. Be content with what you have. Rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. Beyond what we need to survive, to better ourselves, has come to mean having as much as one can store, and as such has turned into an addiction in our modern world. Such a want to have things comes from a sense of scarcity, an anxiety that something is missing, which owning will somehow soothe. But to better ourselves inwardly is another matter entirely. The closer to heart we take this, the more we find ourselves trying to inhabit what we have carried since the beginning. This want comes from a sense of abundance, a yearning to unlock the mystery of what is already there. This difference became stark for me while struggling with cancer. For while I prayed for things to be better, my prayers were answered when I awoke one morning, content to be simply who I am, no matter what was happening. Though things were not as I wanted, there was truly nothing lacking, and I vowed, as the nurses started their morning rounds, that I would trade places with absolutely no one. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not yourself, not your breath, not this moment. It's already good enough, the way it is. And see if, as always, this reminder helps you to settle a little bit more into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a few moments to really feel the reality of your life this morning. Let your breath, your easy, natural breath, take you for this moment beneath your dreams of betterment, beneath your expectations for your day. Just feel the reality of your life as it is right now in this moment. What is happening around you? What are you feeling exactly? What are your thoughts, physical sensations? What are your emotions? Maybe there is joy, maybe there is anxiety, maybe there is nostalgia, whatever it is, feel it all. Give it notice. give it space to just be the way it is. As you exhale next time, feel the soreness around all that you want, around your need to have something more beyond what you're having right now. Whether those are material things or things you need to do or people you need to help, whatever it is, let it go and feel the soreness, this yearning to have it done or to simply have it. And next time you inhale, feel the mystery at center of your being where nothing is lacking. You may want to put your hand on your heart, or maybe one hand on your heart and the other on your solar plexus or on your belly. Those are the centers that can remind you that nothing is lacking. Everything you need is already here. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. Remember the quote from Lao Tzu, be content with what you have, rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. Can you viscerally connect with this experience of non-lacking? As always, enjoy your experiences, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.